Now to the abortion pill fight. Two federal judges recently handing down conflicting opinions regarding the legality of the common abortion drug, mifepristone. In Texas, a judge ruling to suspend the FDA's approval of the drug. In Washington state, a judge ordering the FDA to keep the medication available. And many are wondering what access is going to look like in the future. So let's go to our Brooke Butler. She's joining us live from outside of Planned Parenthood in Savannah. And Brooke, they tell you they're going to keep providing this medication to their patients.
Yeah, Greg, at least for now. A spokesperson for Planned Parenthood's South Atlantic branch tells me they'll continue providing this pill as they await further guidance from the FDA. And I should note that one South Carolina representative tells me she's actually pushing the FDA to ignore that Texas ruling.
This is literally the FDA's job.
South Carolina Representative Nancy Mace is firing back after learning a federal judge in Texas ruled to suspend the Food and Drug Administration's approval of the abortion pill mifepristone.
My issue with this particular decision is that the judge used a law from 1873 that was deemed unconstitutional in 1983 by the United States Supreme Court.
Mifepristone has been ruled safe and effective by the FDA for more than 20 years. But the federal judge claims the FDA overlooked, quote, legitimate safety concerns about the pill. Representative Nancy Mace disagrees.
There is a process of testing, vigorous testing that the FDA utilizes for approving drugs.
Mace tells WJCL 22 she feels this latest ruling is another example of extremism in our country.
We got to say no to the extremism, and there's extremism on both sides, right? And on all sorts of issues. But this extremism that we're seeing this towards women right now is wrong.
It appears Mace isn't alone. On the same day of the Texas ruling, a federal judge in Washington state ruled to protect use of the abortion drug in at least 17 states. And just recently on Monday, a Justice Department asked a federal appeals court to freeze the Texas judge's order. Mace says this makes her feel hopeful.
I hope that it's reversed, and I hope that that people will see and understand it for what it is.
And Brooke, the drug companies are also paying close attention to this case as well.
Yeah, that's exactly right, Greg. If this ruling does go into effect, U.S. drug manufacturers would have to halt production and distribution of mifepristone in the United States. And I should note that Planned Parenthood actually tells me that mifepristone is used in more than half of abortions nationwide, Greg. So this would have a major impact.
Yeah, we'll have to keep following this story, see how it develops. Brooke Butler reporting live tonight. Thanks so very much.